This is V. Abhijit Chaudhary coming from Keshareddy E-Learning School, Guntur. I have great pleasure in extending a very warm welcome to the dignitaries, chief guests and judges of state level science fair. I am very delighted to be amongst you and I welcome this opportunity of sharing my views on the role of mathematics in India, present, past and future. Mathematics has played a significant role in the development of Indian culture for millennia. Education should be started with mathematics. Mathematics is present in different forms. Whenever we pick up a phone, manage the money, travel to some place, meet new friends, play soccer, everywhere and everyday life, mathematics is present in one way or the other. Our famous philosopher Swami Vivekananda said, you know how many sciences had their origin in India. Mathematics began there. It is also a fitting time to review the contributions of our Indian mathematicians from ancient times to present. If we look back, mathematics in ancient times is used in applied role. Our ancient people who were considered to be not much educated used mathematical methods to solve the problems in architecture and construction. During this period, the place value system and zero were evolved. Many brilliant mathematicians struggled with the elevation of zero. Today, we know that division by zero is not well defined and has to be excluded from the rules of arithmetic. The most famous Indian mathematicians of this period are Aryabhatta I, Aryabhatta II, Bhaskara I, Bhaskara II, Mahavira and Brahmagupta. Aryabhatta I was the most dominant figure of this period who gave us a method to solve the equations of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Mathematicians made early contributions to the study of zero as a number, negative number, algebra and arithmetic. All the advanced concepts in India were transmitted to the Middle East, Europe and China. And the most famous Indian modern mathematician is Srinivasa Ramanujan, and he is familiar with the number Ramanujan number 1729. He produced beautiful and significant results in many aspects of number theory. He initiated the study of pi function. As a result of his work, the modern arithmetic theory of modular forms occupied central place in number theory and algebraic geometry. Hence, it is very evident that a person who has solid foundation in mathematics can shine in every aspect of his life. Mathematics is the mother of all subjects. It is the queen of all sciences. It is the language of physics. We all know that the mathematics is derived from the Greek word mathema, which means knowledge, study, learning the abstract knowledge that turns to wisdom. The development of any country depends upon the use of mathematical methods, which is quite interrelated to the development of infrastructural facilities. Therefore, urgent steps are to be taken in the research field of mathematics to keep our country ahead of other countries in future. In conclusion, I would like to say that mathematics is the only subject that you do with logic. So, mind is the only organ, the more you work with, the sharper it turns out to be. So friends, mathematics is a subject that depends on our intelligence, industry, which enhances our research capabilities. That is what we need to keep our country ahead of other countries. Mathematics is life, life is mathematics. I once again thank everybody for giving me this opportunity.